Erectile dysfunction can have a significant impact on a man's self-esteem, relationships, and mental health. It's a condition that can be difficult to talk about, and many men feel embarrassed or ashamed to seek help. However, it's important to understand that ED is a common problem and nothing to be ashamed of. Whether you're someone who has personally experienced it, or know someone who has, it's a topic that is often stigmatized and not talked about openly enough. But today, I'll be helping you break that stigma and addressing the elephant in the room. Erectile dysfunction, also known as ED, is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual intercourse. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including physical, psychological, or even lifestyle-related issues. If you or someone you know is dealing with ED, it's important to know that there are solutions available. Before I dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. There are valuable videos on this topic that you won't want to miss. And be sure to stick around until the end for our recommended simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your home. Now, let's get started. There are several factors that can contribute to erectile dysfunction, ED, which is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual intercourse. Some of the major causes of ED include: Number 1. Physical factors. ED can be caused by physical conditions that affect the blood flow to the penis or the nerves that control erections. Examples of physical factors include diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, obesity, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and Peyronie's disease. Number 2. Psychological factors. ED can also be caused by psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, depression, and relationship problems. Performance anxiety is a common psychological cause of ED, especially in younger men. Number 3. Lifestyle factors. Lifestyle factors such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, drug use, and lack of exercise can also contribute to ED. Number 4. Medications. Certain medications can also cause ED as a side effect, such as antidepressants, blood pressure medications, and some prostate cancer treatments. Erectile dysfunction, ED, can have a significant impact on a person's overall well-being, including their mental and emotional health. The inability to achieve or maintain an erection can cause feelings of anxiety, frustration, and low self-esteem, which can lead to chaos in married life and other personal relationships. The stress and strain of coping with ED can also affect a person's work performance, social life, and overall quality of life. The psychological effects of ED can be quite significant. Many men with ED experience feelings of shame or embarrassment, which can lead to social withdrawal and avoidance of intimate relationships. These feelings may also contribute to depression or anxiety, which can further worsen the symptoms of ED. In addition, stress and anxiety can make it more difficult for a person to achieve an erection, creating a vicious cycle of negative emotions and physical symptoms. Certain dietary remedies have been shown to help improve sexual function in men with erectile dysfunction. Here are a few examples and how they work. Number 1. Drumsticks. Drumsticks are a vegetable that is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are also believed to increase blood flow to the penis, which can help with erections. This is because they contain a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to improve blood circulation and lower inflammation in the body. Number 2. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an herb that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It is believed to help improve sexual function by reducing stress and anxiety, which can be contributing factors to erectile dysfunction. Ashwagandha has also been shown to increase testosterone levels in men, which can help with sexual performance. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients, including folate and magnesium. These nutrients are important for cardiovascular health, which is crucial for erections. Spinach also contains a compound called ecdysterone, which has been shown to increase testosterone levels and improve sexual function. Number 4. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They also contain vitamin E, which is important for sexual health. Vitamin E helps improve blood flow and circulation, which can lead to better erections. Adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet can help improve sexual function and alleviate symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help promote overall health and improve blood flow, which is crucial for healthy erectile function. For example, fruits like watermelon, pomegranate, and bananas contain high levels of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and improves blood flow. Vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in nitrate, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow to the penis. Engaging in relaxing activities like spending time in nature, gardening, listening to music, and dancing can have positive effects on mental health and overall well-being, which can in turn improve sexual function and reduce the negative impacts of erectile dysfunction. Additionally, spending time in nature and practicing mindfulness can help increase blood flow, which is important for maintaining healthy sexual function. When we are stressed, our blood vessels can constrict, making it more difficult for blood to flow to the penis, which can contribute to erectile dysfunction. By engaging in relaxing activities that help us reduce stress, we can help improve blood flow and reduce the negative impacts of erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction can be a challenging and distressing condition for individuals who experience it. With time, patience, and an open-minded approach, individuals with erectile dysfunction can overcome this condition and improve their sexual function and overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on erectile dysfunction. Also, don't forget to check out the simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your own home by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.